Hello everyone, welcome to another quick fix video. Now let's say your start and search option is not working on your Windows 10 or 11. I'm going to show you how to fix it. So you need to go to your task manager. Now click on File, Run New Task. Once this arrives, you need to type CMD. Now you need to click on Create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK. Once this arrives, we need to run a command. Now type sfc /SCANNOW. Now hit enter. Now this may take some time. Wait for it. You can see the verification is running. Wait for it to be 100%. Once it gets 100%, you just simply need to restart your computer. This will fix your start and search option, and always update your Windows. For that, click on Start, put your settings, and you see this update and security. Always update your Windows. So this is it. Thank you for watching.